Shall I start?
You've got a microphone.
Oh, okay, sorry, thank you. Hi, Idris. Long time.
Oh, my darling, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Very much enjoyed the film. I'm a woman, and for me, the thing that stood out for me, and I want to know how intentional this was, your leading lady, beautiful, dark-skinned woman, and for me as a dark-skinned woman, it's important. And what was really poignant here is that she was slightly darker than him. You rarely see that. Was that intentional?
So when it was written and the way we wrote the script and the way I personally approach casting and characters is that I didn't put complexion or how they look. D is D, Yvonne is Yvonne. What was definitely intentional was her place as a woman, as a strong female character. That was intentional. A strong female character. You know, D comes to England, he doesn't turn anywhere else but Yvonne. And Yvonne is essentially his beacon. Whether it's for religion or her character or their past, those beats were intentional. I kept writing with the director. In the book, the female character is very much the victims in a few cases. That's not a diss, that's just the way that book was written back then. But in the film, we changed that. Yvonne had to have a voice. And as soon as I met Chantel, that was it. There was no question of any other. And I met some amazing actors who, some of them actually may be here tonight, I came to the other screening, and all kinds of complexions. But Yvonne embodied the strength, I beg your pardon, Chantel embodied the strength as soon as I met her. And from that point, everything became intentional.
Well, for me personally, great choice. She's beautiful, and for me, it's great to see her. Thank you.
One more question.